got the fear. We got the fear. We need a pier. We've got the fear. J-A-Y-L. J-A-Y-L.
Hey, put these blobs on the table or put them in the house.
Why?
There's no wearing these blobs on. I hope someone's be like that. Don't be silly.
So you're trying to say you're saying it's summer?
Isn't it summer? We aren't on holiday in Spain, Mum.
Hey, it's worse then.
That's not.
Put the blobs off.
Mum, my hands don't even feel sweating.
Jay, put them off. They just look silly like that. Jay, put them off. Tell them.
Jay, just get them off and stop being a wild boy.
Mum and Dad goes crab bit over a pair of gloves. Call that a video.
I'm not crabbing it.
I
I'm not crab it. Jay, I'll just take them off and you'll be crab it. Because I'll be mean to you. I'm just doing what your mum tells you. So just take them off and stop being wild.
She's no your mom. Talk about me, stop being wild. She's wild all the time.
Who? I'm your parent. And we were the generation that invented wild.
Hey, get the gloves off and put the table back down. Just put them on the table because I've locked the door now. You've been that long.